I need to talk to you about something that the YouTube algorithm actively discourages creators from saying, which means it's probably exactly the kind of video that needs to exist. Because right now, your feed is filled with AI passive income videos promising unrealistic results. $10,000 a month with no experience, $300 per day using ChatGPT, passive income in 7 days. You've seen the thumbnails: laptops on beaches, luxury cars, Stripe screenshots. And the problem is that many people watching those videos are quietly starting to believe that if they aren't making huge money immediately, they're somehow failing. I want to reset expectations with real numbers because the opportunity with AI is absolutely real, but the timelines being sold online are often completely disconnected from reality. And this isn't just harmless internet hype anymore. Multiple enforcement actions were filed against AI income schemes over the last 2 years. Documented consumer losses reached tens of millions of dollars across verified cases. And almost every one of those schemes was promoted through social media content: short videos, aggressive thumbnails, emotional marketing. The formula is simple: sell the dream first, hide the timeline second, sell the course third. That's the cycle. And unfortunately, beginners are usually the people who pay the price for believing unrealistic expectations. Most AI passive income content follows the same structure. A creator claims they made thousands of dollars in a few weeks. They show screenshots. They skip over the difficult months. And then they transition into selling a program, mentorship, or template bundle. But here's the reality nobody wants to say clearly: building income online usually starts slowly, very slowly, especially in the beginning. And that's normal. The internet has trained people to expect month 6 results during week 1. That's why so many beginners quit early. So let's talk about what realistic AI income progression actually looks like. Based on platform data, freelance reports, and documented case studies, months 1 through 3 usually look like $200 to $800 monthly. Not $10,000, not financial freedom, just the beginning. Months 4 through 6 often grow into the $500 to $2,000 range as reviews, systems, and recurring clients begin stacking. Then months 7 through 12 become the real acceleration phase. This is where specialized freelancers with clear positioning start reaching $3,000 to $8,000 monthly. And experienced AI professionals with niche expertise can absolutely build $5,000 to $15,000 monthly businesses. But the timeline is usually 1 to 2 years of consistent effort, not 30 days. Now let's talk about the phrase passive income, because most people misunderstand what that actually means. There is no such thing as income without effort. There is only income where the effort is front loaded. That's the difference. A digital product can eventually become passive. A YouTube channel can eventually become passive. A template library can eventually become passive. But first, you have to build the thing. You have to create, test, refine, improve, and usually fail multiple times before momentum appears. The passive part comes later. Anyone telling you otherwise is selling fantasy, not strategy. Another phrase you constantly hear is $300 a day with AI. Now, technically, yes, those numbers are possible, but context matters. The people consistently earning those numbers usually spent months or years developing skills, systems, and client relationships first. Presenting top performer income as beginner income is incredibly misleading. It's like showing Olympic level fitness results to someone entering a gym for the first time. The outcome is real, but the timeline matters. And timelines are exactly what most internet marketing conveniently hides. Now, here's the important part: real AI income opportunities absolutely exist. In fact, the opportunities are larger right now than most people realize. AI automation consulting, AI assisted content services, prompt engineering, workflow optimization, AI research, digital products. These are real markets. Businesses are actively paying for these skills. But here's the catch: all of them require skill development, not necessarily coding, not necessarily degrees, but definitely skill. You need communication, problem solving, positioning, consistency, and the ability to deliver outcomes. And despite everything I just said, I actually think this is one of the best times in history to start building online income, because AI has dramatically lowered the barrier to entry. You can learn faster, create faster, research faster, and produce higher quality work than ever before. The gig economy continues growing. Demand for AI skilled freelancers is increasing. Businesses are overwhelmed and looking for help. The opportunity is real. The mistake is expecting the opportunity to materialize instantly. That's the difference. So, here's a simple filter you should use before trusting any AI income creator online. Question 1. Do they show verifiable proof with timestamps and realistic progression, not random screenshots? Actual progression. Question 2. Do they openly discuss the low income months at the beginning? Or do they pretend success happened immediately? Because honest creators explain the difficult phase too. And question 3, are they primarily making money from teaching the method instead of doing the method? Now, to be clear, selling a course is not automatically bad. But if the business model depends entirely on selling the dream instead of demonstrating the process, that's a red flag. Those three questions alone will filter out most of the noise online. Here's the standard I want Wealth AI to operate on: real timelines, real numbers, real expectations. Because I genuinely believe AI can help people build meaningful income and long term financial leverage. But unrealistic expectations destroy consistency. And consistency is the entire game. Most successful people in this space did not explode overnight. They improved gradually, built systems gradually, collected clients gradually, and compounded gradually. That's how sustainable wealth is usually built, not through shortcuts, through repetition and leverage. So, if you are starting your AI journey right now, don't compare your month 1 to someone else's year 3. Focus on skill acquisition, focus on consistency, focus on becoming genuinely useful, because useful people eventually become valuable, and valuable people eventually get paid. If you want more honest breakdowns about AI income, freelancing, automation, and building digital businesses without the fake guru nonsense, subscribe to Wealth AI. Every week, one tool, one strategy, one system, one step closer to financial freedom. And if I ever give you information that turns out to be wrong, I'll make a correction video publicly. That's the standard. Thank you for watching. Stay focused, stay realistic, keep building, and I'll see you in the next video.